Hello everyone. So this is all you need to burn that stubborn fat and get back in shape, most especially your belly fat, and have your body all back in shape. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first thing you need is some ginger. So you need good amount of ginger here, about 8 to 10 thumb sizes of ginger. Yes, this is so thermic. This is so good. This is strong, intense to burn stubborn fats, all the resistant fats, and have your body all back in shape. So what you want to do is to get your ginger, peel, and you chop up into some good little sizes. Like, you don't want to put in dirt, bacteria in your system, so you want to peel. Ginger is very thermic. This amount makes this so powerful. Plus the way I come up with this, it is so your system can actually have it, and so good, and it burns everything down for you. So just wash your ginger, peel the back of the ginger, and you chop up into some good little sizes. They equally help to heat up your system to burn fat, as well as relieve your tummy from all the constipated, bloated, big belly, and have you all back in shape without all the gassiness in your tummy. And like, this is so good, so relieving. It is a very good anti-inflammatory property, which is very good at relieving you from that bloated, fake big belly, and have your tummy all down. Like, I love this recipe a lot. One of my strongest and best recipes. So this is it, 8 to 10 thumb sizes of ginger. You peel, wash, slice up into some good little sizes, and we are going to be blending this to come up with the juice out of this. So you want to watch the steps carefully, very important. So this is the 8 to 10 thumb sizes of ginger. You put in your blender and add in 1 cup of water. So you are to blend with 1 cup of water. So this is it. Blend till you get a smooth consistency out of this. This is the first stage. So once you blend and you get it this way, you add in 1 more cup of water. So I blended with 1 cup of water. You want to add in 1 more cup of water. So that makes it 2 ounces of water. So this is it. You use your sieve to get the juice out of the ginger. So this is like ginger juice, very powerful. When I say this is powerful, this will help you shred pounds. Plus I'll be adding some other ingredients in here to make it even more powerful. So this is it, and I will not be throwing the fiber, that is the pulp from the ginger. You can add in your breakfast smoothie. Don't throw it away. That is equally so good. So yeah, this is it, which is like 2 cups of ginger juice. So this is the pulp. I'll add it in my breakfast smoothie. You don't want to throw it. That is very good for the fat burning process as well. So that is it. You want to set that aside. And yeah, so this ginger juice is actually 2 cups. So that is 2 cups of ginger juice set aside. Now I'll be adding some lime and grapefruit. So if you have just lime and lemon, you can use, I love me some grapefruits because they bring in some very good flavor in here. They are fat burning, they have antioxidant properties as well. Plus all these are so fat burning, so cleansing, and will double up with the ginger to help you burn a lot of the calories and bad fats out of the system. So that is 1 grapefruit. You squeeze the juice out of your 1 grapefruit. As I mentioned, you can substitute with lemon if you don't have grapefruit, but if you have, that is just so fine. So you want to squeeze everything. I add the pulp, so I have to further squeeze to get everything out of that. Otherwise you'll be throwing a lot of the fruit, and I'll be using the fiber. So that is it. I'll be adding 1 lemon and 1 orange juice. Orange juice are very good to soften your stool, equally help to boost your metabolism, as well as lemons. So this is a lot of citrus fruit I'll be adding in here to further help with the fat burning. The good acids from the lemon helps to burn bad acids in your system and have you burn fat so fast. That way, activating your system to burn fat so fast boost your system. And yeah, so this is it, the juice from 1 lemon, 1 lime, and 1 grapefruit with 1 orange. So I'm using my sieve to further sieve out the juice so everything comes out from the pulp. You see, so this is what you want to do, and I'll be using the pulp from these fruits. I'll be using the fiber. I'm not throwing it. So when you do it this way, you get enough juice. After you you use your manual squeezer, you get the juice out of it. You still use your sieve, and then I'm adding this fiber, this pulp, to the ginger. You remember the pulp from the ginger? I'm adding it, and I'll just add, you can add any fruit of your choice like pineapple, papaya, and come up with your breakfast smoothie. So now this is it. This is what you want to do. You want to get the juice from your fruits, from your 1 lemon, 1 orange, 1 lime, 1 grapefruit. Add in the 2 cups of ginger juice. This is it. This is it. Very big cup, and this is the secret. Like, all of that is that secret. Just this will do wonders to you. You will lose several pounds just with this bottle. You don't need a lot. Just this bottle will do wonders to your system. Yeah, you can save it cool or warm. The weather now is too hot, so I always just add ice to have my drinks chilled. This is how I serve it up and I drink. And what you need is just that bottle. And like, follow me on Instagram. I have so many pictures of me with my tummy out. My Instagram account is Riza Tips. How recipes like this help me to lose all my belly fat, lose a lot of weight, and get back in shape. Like, I have so many pictures on Instagram. Follow me at Riza Tips. Like, this is what you want to drink, just this. If you've never tried any of my recipes, try this particular recipe and you will love the result. It will help you shred a lot of pounds and have your body all nice and in shape. So how you want to drink this is, the best time is normally early morning on an empty tummy after your meal. So whatever you eat, it breaks it so fast. Then last thing at bedtime, you should be completing. This is 3 cups. This will give you 3 cups early morning after your meal and bedtime, last thing at bedtime. And trust me, you will love the results. You will burn fats, get back to your beautiful body size, and stay so healthy and in shape as well. Yeah, so this recipe you want to try, and trust me, you will love it. Just this bottle, a bottle of this, and you will love this, just this quantity, and you'll be losing a lot of pounds, and most especially your belly fat. Yeah, so you want to share this video with your family and friends so we can all burn the bad fats out of our systems and get back in shape for a very healthy life, free of obesity, which leads to health complications, and be 100% healthy and looking good with beautiful body size. And yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so you can burn the fat and get back in shape. And I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.